Hi, my name is Tanya. Welcome to the first video of a new video series on trading for teenagers. In these videos, I'll be covering the fundamental basics of trading. Let's start with this question. Why should you learn how to trade? Other than that your parents want you to, you might want to trade for money or financial independence if you want to pay for your own college or buy a car. Or more importantly, you might want to trade to secure your future. Trading is a skill that, just like playing Mario Kart is a lifelong skill, trading is also a lifelong skill that can help you make money no matter what the circumstances. On to the topic of today's video, reading trading charts, more specifically, candlestick charts. Take a look at this chart. At first, it might be confusing, but let's break it down. Each candlestick represents 4 prices. The price at which the stock opened, the highest price of the day, the lowest price of the day, and the closing price. As you can see, the bottom of the box here represents the opening price, the bottom of the wick the lowest price of the day, the top of the wick the highest price of the day, and the top of the box the price at which the stock closed that day. Let's take a look at this on a chart. This is a chart for Paycom software. Let's take a look at it. The first price that we see here is the price at which the stock opened. So that's shown here by the bottom of this box. The second price that you see here is the bar high, so the highest price of the day, which is shown by the top of the candle wick. The third price, which you see here, is the bar low, which is the lowest price of the day, shown by the bottom of this candle wick. And the last price is the closing price, which is shown by the top of the box. Let's take a look at a different stock. This is Tesla. One of my classmates actually managed to make himself enough money to buy himself a Tesla, which is something you could look forward to, maybe, if you get good at trading. So let's take a look at this stock. This is here at $562.27 is the opening price of the stock, and it closed here at $573. So let's say, hypothetically, that you bought this stock at the opening price when the market opened at this price right here, and you sold it at $573. You would actually make a profit of $10.73. Now let's say you bought 100 shares of Tesla. In this one trade, you would be able to make $1,073. When the bar is black, it tells us that it opened at a higher price than when it closed. So the top of the box is your opening price, and the bottom of your box is your closing price. So let's look at this stock right here, GLOB. We can see that the opening price of the stock was $98.57, so that was the top of the box right here, and the closing price was $92.90 down here. So let's say hypothetically that you bought the stock at the opening price when the market opened, and then you sold it at the closing price when the market closed. You would make a net loss of $5.67. So to understand the 4 prices that this candlestick represents, let's take a look at an intraday chart. So what this next chart shows is it shows a candle wick for every 5 minutes. So what we can see here is the price at which the stock opened, which is this yellow arrow right here. And we can see this orange arrow right here represents the high of the day, which is shown here by the top of the candle wick. The green arrow, the blue arrow shows the lowest price of the day, which is what the bottom of this wick represents here. And this green arrow shows the closing price, which is shown by the bottom of the box. So in reality, this chart is all the information that's shown in the one candle wick right there. So that is the fundamental basics of reading a candlestick chart. In the next video, we'll start looking at what this information tells us and how we can decide when to purchase stocks. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.